Hi everyone, this is Ashley from Tianjin Lituo. Our company majors in different standards, screws, nails, and blunt rivets. Today I would like to introduce one of our best seller, blunt rivets. The most popular blunt rivet is made of aluminum and steel mandrel. And also we can make different color mandrel. This one is yellow galvanized, which is very popular in some special markets. And also we have different standard structural type blunt rivets. And the material for blunt rivets have steel and aluminum, and as well as stainless steel. So if anything interests you, welcome to send our inquiry anytime.